Making money in car parking multiplayer as a beginner can be very difficult and frustrating. I've been playing car parking for the past 69 years.
I smell cap.
And over those years, I have gained a lot of experience and know a lot of tricks to get rich quick. But today, I will be starting on a brand new account and will actually turn this $25,000 into $25 million by the end of this video.
Damn!
I 100% guarantee you that if you copy exactly everything I do, you will also become rich. I'm pretty sure you're probably wondering, what is my game plan? Well, it goes like this. The first step is to collect the gift boxes until I have 500K, and then use that money to buy a new car and design it. From there, I will either sell or trade the car for a car of higher value. So let's get started, my friends.
Okay, let's go.
If you already collected all the gift boxes, then I recommend replaying the level 1 mission.
Interesting.
Getting to 500K will actually only take a couple of minutes because you can earn $1,000 every 2 seconds or $30,000 every minute, which means it would only take about 16 minutes at most to earn 500K by replaying the first level. Anyways, after collecting the 15th gift box, my money was up to 156K.
Yeah, boy.
But the job is not yet done, my friends, so let's get back to work. It's only took 30 gift boxes to get to 500K. That's a big W. However, that was relatively easy compared to what I have to do now. Many players think buying a car is easy. Well, it is, if you buy it on the game store, but I don't recommend that. I suggest buying it on a public server because many players sell them at a lower price than the game store. And most of the cars they sell aren't stock, but rather upgraded. So let's go to the public servers, boys, and start looking for a car. The car that I'm looking for is a Nissan GT-R R34, because I have a lot of cool design ideas in mind for that car, but the chances of seeing a person selling it are really low. As you can see, on this server, there's no one selling a car for less than 500K, which means I have to join a different server. After joining 2 different servers without having any luck, I finally ran into someone selling a upgraded car for less than 500K.
Nice.
This is a Subaru BRZ, a JDM car. It's cost almost $400,000 to purchase this car on the game store. I saved a lot of money, but don't let that distract you from the fact that this livery is ugly. So let's fix it, boys. This is how the car now looks like. I removed all the vinyls that were installed. And by the way, I have $144,000 left. And I don't know if this will be enough for the design. I'm going to try to make one of those graphics type of liveries, but will not add a lot of details, as I'm on a really low budget. I'm also trying my best to make this livery as simple and easy as possible for you guys, because I know and understand that not everyone is good at designing. With that being said, let me know on the comments section, what's your favorite car in CPM? The car is almost finished now, boys. If you made it this far, comment W. so I know who the real channel supporters are. What I just did was increase the car specular color and lowered the reflections, so the car will be very shiny. Okay, boys, so the car is officially done, which means now we have to move to the next step. And that is to sell or trade the car. So let's head to sales in City 1 to hopefully sell this car. Finding a person that can afford to pay $25 million will be kind of difficult, as I'm playing on a brand new account. When you're playing on a new account and join public servers, the servers will be mostly filled with new players and old players that have no money. On this server that I joined, I put my car up for sale at the price of $25 million and nobody bought it. When you're facing a situation like this, the best thing you can do is to join a different server. So I did just that. I am now on a new server and I'm gonna list my car for sale. I stayed on the same server for a couple of minutes, and as I was about to leave, I saw this guy driving an i8. I sent him a trading offer and he rejected it, but a couple of seconds later, he sent me a trading offer.
W's in the shot.
A BMW i8 in car parking is one of the rarest cars, as it's cost real money to purchase it. And this one is max upgraded, which means finding a buyer for this car will be easy. I really like the color on this. I won't do much of a design as I only have 34,000. I will make the color fading type of design on this car. Usually I like to do 2 or 3 different gradient colors, but I'll stick to one color this time because I feel like it would look good on this car. So on the front, it's gonna have a very light shade of blue, and at the back, it'll have a darker shade. So now we're basically done, boys. This is how the car turned out. I did do some adjustments to the suspension. I also added new rims and made the calipers blue. So now let's go and sell this bad boy, boys. I put the car up for sale and went to shower. While I was in the shower, I did not close the game. I left it on the charger. And a couple of seconds after I started playing again, the car got sold. And that's exactly how you turn 25,000 into 25 million. So what I'm gonna do now, boys, is to go buy random cars on the public servers and give them away until I run out of money.